This video will explain the difference between valid and invalid arguments. So, deductive arguments can furthermore be broken down into two types of arguments. There are valid arguments and there are invalid arguments. So, a valid argument is one having the form such that it is impossible that all of its premises are true and its conclusion false. Whereas an invalid argument is one having the form such that it is possible that all of its premises are true, and yet the conclusion is false. So here is an example of a valid argument. I call it the kangaroo argument, and I will refer to this argument with some frequency, so it's worth memorizing this argument. Premise 1. All kangaroos can fly. Premise 2. Karin is a kangaroo. Therefore, Karin can fly. So this argument is valid. Even though all of the premises are false. So kangaroos can't fly. I am not a kangaroo, unless I'm very cleverly disguised. And also, I can't fly. But if all the premises were true, so if it was true that all kangaroos could fly, and if it was true that I was a kangaroo, well then it would have to be true that I could fly. So this is a valid argument. And it's useful to keep this one in mind because it helps us understand that, the premises could be false and the argument could still be valid. That's what's interesting about it. So, true fact, 97% of all questions about validity can be answered by thinking about this argument, about the kangaroo argument. So it's worth keeping this argument in mind.